Hi, my name is Kim Goeltom, and I'm a certified master wellness coach through the International Association of Wellness Professionals, as well as the founder of the Empowered Living for Superwomen Program. And I'm excited to be here with you today to talk to you about how to relax into the present moment. We always hear about how being in the present moment is one of the best things for us to, feel better, to feel rejuvenated, and to not worry. But it's not always so easy. Some of us just have so many thoughts racing through our head, and it's like, how do I just stop? And how do I get present? So one of the things that I have found to be the best way for me is to be in nature. I can go outside, I can go for a hike, it could be on the beach, it could be in the woods, it could be, in a combination of environments, and being able to just kind of see the bamboo, the trees, the grass, all the different animals, and just to breathe in this nature just helps me relax. And I can immediately just go from being stressed out, worried, anxious, whatever the adjective is you want to use, but being out here and moving especially and breathing in the energy, I just feel amazing. And so what is it that causes that? So one of the ways is there's this chemical, it's also known as the happy chemical, serotonin, in our bodies. It's a chemical our bodies make. It's kind of like a neurotransmitter. So it's that feel-good mood. It helps your mood, helps you with sleep, right? There's so many different things it does. But when you're out in nature and you start just kind of relaxing into the space, and you're walking and you're observing what you're seeing and you're focused on just being out there, you start to feel better. And so your body starts producing this chemical, and then of course you're breathing in oxygen, so then there's this increased oxygen intake, which also relaxes your body. So within 5-10 minutes of being outside in nature, going for a walk, you can easily just get into the present. And so what is the present moment? It's not worried about what happened in the past. It's not being anxious about what's happening in the future. It's just being, okay, what's happening right here, right now, right? Taking in your surroundings, seeing the greenery, seeing the trees. Again, we've got the bamboo here. We've got these luxurious trees. Just being present in this space, whatever space that is that you're in. But what's amazing is when you just focus on, what do I see right here? What do I see right now? It's a great way to get grounded. It's a great way to be present. And when you're present, you're only concerned with what's happening at this very second, this very instant in time. And when that happens, you can't be worried. You can't be anxious because you're not thinking about anything but other than what you're experiencing. So this is a great tip for those who are struggling with trying to get present, especially with all the uncertainty and things that are constantly changing these days. If you can just go outside in nature, for 5-10 minutes a day and just breathe in the greenery, or if maybe it's the beach and you're breathing in the water, whatever it is, and the sand, right? But just being outside in nature and really just being focused on what's happening right here, right now. And that's it. I do that and nothing else, none of my thoughts matter. I don't think about anything else. I just love being in nature, and it helps me relax and creates that deeper level of breath. So everything in my whole body shifts. And so when you think about what's your breathing like on a daily basis? Are you getting anxious and then all of a sudden you're realizing your shoulders are raising and you're doing the shorter breaths? Again, here's another benefit about going into nature. You'll start to slow down your breathing. You'll have those deeper belly breaths where you'll feel your whole body expand, right? You're getting that present moment. So many different benefits of taking in nature to help you relax. So I encourage you to try to find 5-10 minutes a day for the next week. Just test it out, see what happens, and let me know. I'd like to hear if being in nature for 5-10 minutes a day helps you to become a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more present, and then breathe in a little bit deeper and slower so that you can just feel good overall. And feel free to check out my website for some free additional wellness videos, creatinglegacywellness.com. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.